Okay, quick update on the koi fry, and you should be able to see from today's video that they've got noticeably bigger, whereas before they were pretty much translucent. You can see now they've got a yellow color and they're looking a little bit bigger, and I still don't see any tobies. So I guess that's it. It's just a quick update so you can see what they're looking like, but coming along nicely, and I'm sure you can see growth from the previous video. Okay, so that's it for today's update. Really hot weather, so I'm hoping they're going to be growing really fast in the coming week. But again, they literally 10 days from being laid, so very young babies. Some water going in from the borehole. Thanks for watching these updates, guys, and I'll post very soon. Cheers.